Hey guys, and welcome. This is my second iteration for project 2. And I'm sorry for recording with my cell phone, but I just don't want to install any messy software in this new environment. As you can see, it's a Linux now, a Mint Linux. I changed the computer. So I want to keep this one as clean as possible. I actually decided to start from scratch because I thought the other one was a bit messy. I removed object-oriented programming, and now I'm storing everything inside these three variables here. It's a list and two dictionaries. I've also done a chatbot using Chatterbot library. It's pretty simple. Probably know that already. Here to generate responses, I just pass the message the user gives and use this little function here. I'm training it using a data set from Chatterbot corpus library, which I'm not sure if it is from the same people who've done Chatterbot library. But anyway, this one is way simpler. It doesn't have complicated login systems or heartbeats or any of that. We are also using way more local storage. Oops, wrong file. This one. So we're using more local storage for control. I've actually searched that before. For recording the display username, so now you can just choose the name you want. You can change it, as you will see now. So let's run that. Let's run that again. So the Flash-Socket.io library has a bug in which you can't run the Flask application with the Flask run command if you have it installed. You don't even need to execute in the code. If you just have it installed, it will keep you from doing that. So you actually have to run this with Python application.py, and then it will run without any problems, hopefully. So it will train the chatbot, and now we can see that working. So let's access it. As you can see, that's the front page. Let's choose a username, and now we're in. So here we can create our rooms. Let's create a room. It's created there. Now we can send messages on it. Let's log in also with another browser here. Just a second. I'm looking for Mozilla. We can also change our username. Let's use user2. And now we are user2, as you can see there. And now let's try it here. So click. There we are. I had a local storage for user before, so it actually logged me in. Let's join that room, and I will receive the messages the room has. Let's send some message and see if it pops in the other screen. Yeah, it popped it out. But that's cool. And now let's try talking with the chatbot as well. Perhaps we should do another room here just to demonstrate. Let's create it. Now in the other room, I can come back. And the message will appear. Let's talk to the chatbot. try saying hi to him. How are you doing? Let's see. I'm great. So that doesn't make any sense to me, but alright. Let's say alright to him and see what he speaks to us. Quite humble and a million times smarter than you. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's not a great chatbot, but it is fun. And sometimes he can tell you some deep stuff you don't know. So let's try saying something deep to him. Do you feel? Let's see what he tells us. Maybe I can. I'm afraid. This is not getting bad. So yeah, that was my second iteration on this project, and I'm really enjoying. I enjoyed building it way more actually this second time. Was way faster. I can see I've developed a lot as a web developer since I've done that the first time. So I hope you liked it, and perhaps if I'm approved in this one, then the course is done, because the other projects were approved already. So yeah, thank you very much, and I hope you like it.